Rama Steel Tubes Ltd, a steel pipes and tubes manufacturer, with a market cap of 2,193 crore rupees, and currently trading at 44 rupees per share. The company has a 56% CAGR for 3-year sales growth, and 296% CAGR for 3-year profit growth. The company was incorporated in the year 1974. They are based in New Delhi, with more than 300 employees. They have 4 manufacturing units, 2 located in Uttar Pradesh, 1 in Maharashtra, and 1 in Andhra Pradesh. Company is planning to set up new manufacturing unit in Raipur, with production capacity of 50,000 million tons per annum. Apart from manufacturing, the company is also engaged in trading of steel tubes and steel products, with 92% revenue generating from manufacturing, and 8% from trading. Recently, the company extended its offering in bathroom and sanitary ware segment through strategic acquisition. Company has 2 subsidiaries in India, 1 joint venture, 1 wholly owned foreign subsidiary in Nigeria, and 1 in UAE. With strategic acquisitions, company is looking to extend its offerings and expand into new markets. The sales of the company for the last 4 years have been consistently growing. The sales growth is not reflected in profit figures due to recent expenditures on strategic acquisitions and expansion plans. There has been about 10% drop in promoters' holding in the last 4 quarters. We can see some foreign and domestic investments in the company. Some clients of the company are SAIL, Airtel, BSNL, Larsen & Toubro, GMR, DLF, Tata, Ashok Leyland, Adani, and many more. Coming to some key highlights. Company is setting up a new manufacturing unit in Raipur with production capacity of 50,000 metric tons per annum. The current production capacity of the company is 294,000 metric tons per annum, which the company is planning to increase to 394,000 by fiscal year 2025. Company manufactures diverse products of more than 1,300, and planning to increase its offering to 2,500 products by fiscal year 2025. In 2023, company acquired Hagar Mega Mart to extend their offerings in the bathroom and sanitary ware segment. Company have a network of more than 300 distributors, and exports to over 16 countries, like USA, South Africa, United Kingdom, UAE, Kuwait, Germany, and more. The revenue concentration of the company is 5% from exports, and 95% from domestic. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up, and consider subscribing to the channel. See you next time.